So the first thing we need to do then to do our database is think about, we're going to prepare some reports for the company. That means we're going to do a database. Make sure all currency values are in euros to 2 decimal places. Everything we do, if it's money, now needs to be this. Okay, we know that. Let's go and import our file. So it's S16. So we need to go to Access. We need to go to External Data, and the way we do this is text file and browse, and I'm going to go and find the file, so hopefully it'll be in your area. Paper 2 specimen, oh, not that one, source files, and it's the cars one. Okay, I'm going to go and press OK. So this is fine at this point. Here we need to think about whether our first row contains field names. It does, so we need to do that. And then we need to think about the next bit here, and whether we have a primary key. Choose my own or let Access do it. It tells us on our thing here, set the VIN field as the key field. Okay, I'm going to come back to this bit in a minute. I'm going to set the VIN as the key field. So I need to choose my own, and it's the VIN. Okay, and that's the table I'm going to import. Okay, now what you find here is that there are some errors on the import. Okay, so at this point in the exam, I've only spent a minute doing this. I might think about whether it's to do with this stuff here. Okay, so some of the text types we need to check to see whether these are what they need to be, and that might be causing an error when I import. Okay, so what I'll do is I can delete these quickly, and I can try and import the data again. Got text file, browse. This time it finds it straight away. Next, first row is columns, and here is when I can check the data types for my things. So VIN should be text, that's cool. Model should be text. Power and engine size is text, so power is text there. Engine size is long integer, so I'm going to put that down to text. Cost, price is currency. Color text, distributor text. Cost price should be currency, so I'm going to change that to currency. And color text, distributor text, so that's fine, and that's fine. And then dispatch should be Boolean logical. So under dispatched, I'm going to go Boolean logical, yes or no. There it is. Okay, yes or no only. Okay, so I'm going to try and bring that in now. So I'm going to choose my own primary key. There it is. Next, and finish. Hopefully this time you can see there's no errors on this one. Okay, so I can double click in there now, go to home, go to design. Let's go to view, actually, see what it says. So that dispatched should be yes or no, so I need to go back in here, and this should be in euros, so I need to go back in there as well. Dispatch next to no, so go to look at text box. What I'm looking for is, that should be fine, general format, yes or no. And then I'm going to go to currency here, and I'm going to go to decimal places, which should be 2, and format here should be euros. There it is. I'm going to go to home, and data sheet. It's going to ask me if I want to save it, yes or no on euros. Okay, that's worked lovely, so that's great. What I can do now is I can delete that table, or close it. I've got my table there. So let's do the next bit. It says import the file S16 distributors as a new table in your database. Set the distributor code field as a key field. Okay, so it's not asking us to change any of the field types or data types. It's just asking me to bring that in. So I'm going to go and exactly the same process, external data, text file, browse, and it's the other one that I need now. I'm going to bring that in, and I just need to make sure that I'm setting the primary key. First row contains columns, yes, and the primary key, let's go to this bit, choose my own primary key, which is distributor code. That's the only thing it's asked me to do there. Set the distributor code as key field, and next, and finish. Close. So now I should have two tables. There they are. That's my other table. That's my one table. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there, and then we're going to do the relational database in the next video.